Well, hello there, welcome to a brand new year, 2023. It's going to be good for both you and for me. I just said that because it rhymes. Right then, got some Martian type projects coming up. Yes, we have, or at least one, which you'll see shortly. For the moment, just to let you know what I have been doing, obviously with the busyness of Christmas and so forth, as we all have, I've had a few projects to get out for other people, and I'll show you those now. So we've had common. So we've had the wonderful Vampirella. The fabulous Bride of Frankenstein. We've also had this. And we've done an 11th from Stranger Things. And of course, Mr. Michael Myers. And this. So all this stuff has had to be done pre-Christmas, so it's taken up a lot of time. So without further ado, we're going to move into 2023 and get on with that first project. You'll see that soon, as I said, so hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching this little sneaky peek of an up-to-date thing of what I've been doing. Have a great time, and as always, take care.